Qantas is expected to post a loss of more than $1.1 billion in the second half of this year. Lockdowns and border closures from July to November reduced the airline's capacity to just 18% of pre-COVID levels.
Qantas has flagged an underlying loss of more than $1.1 billion over 6 months.
This has been one of the toughest periods in the pandemic. For most of the past 6 months, 2 of Australia's biggest cities were locked down and most state borders were closed.
At the height of the lockdowns, domestic capacity dropped to 30% of pre-COVID levels. The national carrier expects domestic capacity to reach 75% by the end of this year, before rising to 117% by the end of June.
We think that by the time we get to June next year, our international capacity will be back to somewhere between 50-55% of pre-COVID levels.
The sale of surplus land at Mascot, near Sydney Airport, added $802 million to Qantas's bottom line. Without that cash injection, the $1.1 billion loss would have been substantially higher.
That sale has helped us repair a lot of damage from the Delta variant's lockdowns and particularly the damage it would have caused our balance sheet.
Qantas is planning to buy up to 134 Airbus aircraft to renew its domestic fleet.
Part of this agreement is to combine this order with an existing Airbus order for Jetstar, giving us flexibility across a grand total of 299 aircraft. This is the largest order in Australian aviation history.
The aircraft would start arriving by the end of 2023, and the deliveries will be spread over the next decade. Qantas will finish the year with net debt of $5.65 billion. Edward Boyd, Sky News.